Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the outer door panel in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 20 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new outer door panel. The outer door panel covers all of the internal door parts and also makes your kitchen look much prettier. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it's badly scratched, bent, or corroded. Open the door. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 6 screws on the sides that hold the outer door. Close the door and pull the outer panel down and out to remove it. In case one of the spacers will come off, just put it on. We're going to remove the insulation from the old panel and install it on the new one. This is the old outer door panel next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the installation on the new outer door panel. Install the door panel. Secured with the 6 Torx 20 screws on the sides. Now we need to peel off the protective film. It may take a while. Be patient. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.